Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can ungroup in Adobe Animate. Now, we have the fastest method is to use keyboard shortcut, so which is Ctrl Shift and G, or on Mac you will use CMD Shift and G. Now also you can go here to Modify tab here at the top, and then you will see here basically group. So if I select this thing, we have now, as you can see, it's everything together. Now I will select it again and again Control do to ungroup it. Ungroup like so. So modify ungroup like that. Okay. Okay, so alternatively, you can also use, for example, Control B, which is break apart command. So if I selected this word is, and now if I press Control B, you can see now that every word is separately, as you can see now, like so. So you can use this also for ungroup things. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.